Hey, good morning. Welcome to Jeremy's Journey. I'm Jeremy, and today I have a woodworking project to do in the shop. Why don't you come along and see what we're building today? So today in the wood shop, I'm going to be building some planter boxes for a neighbor of mine. They sent me a request over the weekend. I did up some drawings, and yeah, this is what it's going to look like. And I'm going to end up putting everything together and making a plan for it, and that's going to be in the link down below. Um, if you want to build one yourself, um, I just gotta cut all my material and get that ready. I already have my layouts and my cut list and everything that I did up in SketchUp, and so I'm just gonna follow along with what I did to make sure it's actually gonna work before I publish the SketchUp plan on Etsy. So come along, follow along, and maybe build one of your own planter boxes. That'd be great. So in this clip, I am doing pilot holes in my 2x2s. With my countersink bit, I go to the outside edge here and I start the hole. And get my screw started. And then your screw head sits just inside the wood. You don't want to go too far. Here is one of two of the planter boxes. Let's take a walk around and see how it looks. It was all face screwed, 2-inch screws on the 1x6 and 2-inch screws along the bottom through the 1x6 into the 2x2. On the inside though, it was 2-inch 18 gauge finishing nails. You can see the little holes, line them up in a nice straight line though. And those boards won't be shifting around anywhere, so they just needed to be held in. Once you fill this full of dirt, well, even before that, they're not going anywhere. I ran my sander over the entire thing, eased all the edges inside and out on all the 2x4s. And yeah, got a nice big planter box with a storage shelf. Now I just gotta take these two frames and that mess of wood and build another one. There's enough wood right there to do it all. So let's go. Well, I knocked out these two planter boxes today. I'm really happy with them. Sanded them all out and everything. So hopefully I can get them out for delivery tomorrow and free up some space again. I think if I break it all down, it works out to about 4 hours a piece. So that's not bad, and that's including doing a final sand. I took my sander and just did the whole surface. I broke all the edges, all the corners, all the edges and everything. So and I got off any manufacturer labels and stuff like that. So yeah, they're nice, big, ready to go. Get some food put in them. Nice little shelf on the bottom.